What's going on, everyone? It's Camille Ico out of Cincinnati, Ohio. Quick tutorial on how to add a picture to a picture. You might want to use this to add your picture and your name to an event banner. So I like to use PhotoGrid for this. You can download it from the Apple Store if you have an iPhone. You can download it from the Google Play Store if you have an Android. This is what it looks like once you open up the app or something similar. Go ahead and click on Edit in the red box. You'll already need to have the pictures that you want to use downloaded to your phone. I'm going to use this event banner here for the CBD experience happening in Cincinnati, Ohio. Shameless plug. Now at the very bottom of the screen, you're going to see the main menu options. You're going to just scroll over to the very last option where it says watermark, because we are going to get rid of the watermark that's in the bottom right hand corner of this picture. This is different options that you have. I'm going to take it completely off, but you can see if you want to do something else. The first option is the circle and the line through it. That's what I'm going to click to remove it. Then I'm going to click the blue arrow that points down to get back to my main screen. Now to add the picture, you're going to scroll back over. You're going to click on sticker. And now you're going to pick a picture from your phone that you want to add to this. So in the middle of the screen, second option, it says clip. It's a circle with scissors. Click on that. This is going to bring up any pictures that maybe you've already done, but assuming that you have not done this before, you're going to click on the plus sign. This is going to bring up all the pictures in your phone, and you are going to select the picture that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use this picture right here. If you want to create a heart shape or a circle or something of that nature, you can do that. I don't want to, so I'm just going to click crop, which is in the top right hand corner, and this is going to bring the picture here onto my flyer. And then I'm just going to put the picture in however I want. You can make it fit right in. You can get fancy and turn it, okay, but I'm just going to make mine fit right on in there. Now my picture is there, so now I'm going to click the arrow that points down again, and this is going to take me back to the main menu. Then I'm going to scroll over. I'm going to click the text option. My text box is going to come up. I'm just going to put Scott's because that's their last name. If the people in the picture are seven-figure earners who are going to be at the CBD event. But now that's there. My font is right. Then I'm going to click the arrow button at the top right of the screen. Now, if you want to change the font, then you can play around with it here. If you want to change the color, you click on color. That changes that. You can put a border and a shadow, all that good stuff. If you want to change the background and you want a different color, you can do that here as well. All right, but I don't want a background. And since I don't want a background, I'll just click background again. I'm going to click none, and then put your finger on the words and resize it to how you want it to be. And voila. Next thing you want to do is click next at the top right corner, and then you want to click save. Just note that you have to view this ad before they save it. So click the X in the top left or wherever the X is on the ad that pops up on your phone. Then it'll tell you that it's saving. And once it's saved, you'll see that screen that you just popped up. And then you'll be able to go into your phone and click on your phone gallery, and it will be saved right there to your phone. All right. Let me know if you have questions.